Hello all. Today in this video I am going to provide information regarding an workshop, and if you are submitting your paper in this workshop, your paper will get published in an IEEE Explore journal, but they haven't mentioned the indexing. So we can see the details regarding this workshop. The name of the workshop is nothing but the second workshop on data driven and intelligent cyber physical systems for smart cities, which is nothing but DICPS, and this workshop is done in conjunction with this the 2022 CPS IoT week. So after this DICPS workshop successful completion, so this is the second iteration, so that only they have mentioned here. So the paper submission link is just nothing but through easy chair, and it is given here. So then we can see the details regarding background details regarding this workshop. So the background details is that the smart cities are emerging as a priority for cyber physical systems research and development across the world. So, data is extremely valuable in determining human behavior both at the scale of the entire population as well as at the level of individual persons navigating the infrastructure landscape. So, with the advent of IoT, which is nothing but Internet of Things, sensor data is being generated at a pace and volume that is difficult to process and use for interference. So, with several data modalities in the picture, new opportunities and challenges arise in terms of data collection, validation, analysis, and interference. So, this workshop, which is nothing but data driven and intelligent cyber physical systems, was started in 2021 in the conjunction with CPS IoT Week. So, they have given the background of this. Workshop. So what is the workshop is going to do is papers assigned to graduate students will have an extra reviewer chosen from the senior members of the PC. So this workshop invites researchers and practitioners from academia, industry, and government to submit original research papers, papers describing lessons learned, concept papers, or descriptions of software tools on the following categories, such as approaches to modeling complex decision making tasks in smart cities and tackling uncertainty, then challenges faced and lessons learned in deploying intelligent systems in smart cities in practice, then principal heuristic to design scalable decision making in city scale CPS, then CPS cyber physical systems, then anomaly detection, then trustworthy analytics and privacy control, transportation CPS data with human in loop, demos and tutorials on software tools, simulations, experimental results concerning CPS with the human in the loop in the context of smart cities, software tools for integrative analysis of data driven CPS from multiple modalities. So the submission guidelines they have given here. So they are welcomed long papers, then short papers, then concept papers, and the pages regarding that the papers are also mentioned. And you can do this pages including appendix and references only. So they have given the submissions, they you should use the IEEE conference format. Only PDF or latex zip files will be only accepted. So there is no requirement to anonymize the submissions, so others may choose to submit anonymously or not. So accepted papers will be published with IEEE and appear on IEEE Explore. However, others can choose to opt out of formal proceedings, and also each accepted papers must be presented by a registered author. Submissions not meeting this guidelines risk immediate rejection. So for questions about this policies, you can contact the chairs. For that, they have given some uh, queries also. So these are the mails. If you are having any queries, you can ask through this mail details itself. So the details regarding important dates regarding this workshop is, so the paper submission deadline is on 5th February 12, and the time is anywhere. So some notification for acceptance or rejection is happening within nearly 20 to 25 days, which is nothing but February 28 of 2022. And finally, the camera ready paper you have to submit before March 7 2022. So the other details regarding the program chairs, technical program team, steering committee, web chair are also given. So if you are interested in this uh, workshop where your paper will get published in IEEE Explore, so you can provide your paper directly to this workshop in EC chair itself. So that's all. Thank you.